Hi everyone, today we're going to show you how to make sausage fried rice. So the important thing is our sausage. So, because it's pork. And I'm going to show you the ingredients and things you need. So first, the first ingredient is sausage and 4 eggs because we're going to eat the whole family. The whole family will eat it. And fork to stir and a bowl to put the eggs in. And you might be thinking, why do we have another bowl? Because we're going to put the eggshell in here. So we don't have a trash can.
Okay, so actually we need to put the vegetable as well, but today
but we forgot.
it's run out.
Yeah,
so,
we ran out.
Okay.
Let's go and crack the eggs. Let's start by cracking the eggs. Okay, I'm doing this way, I think. It's working. Guys, it's working, so let's put it in here.
This is the organic egg.
Oh, I forgot to tell you guys. You have to be careful of like breaking these because we use a knife, but I did not do it because my mom did it because it's for adults to do. So we have one egg.
You need to crack out the egg, and mommy will say like this one is our egg from our chicken. Look.
It's cake.
Okay, this one is quite strong.
Yeah, because our chicken, some kinds of eggs are strong. Like my chicken's egg are strong. Because
And they can look at, they have a layer of the egg, like jelly, because the egg is very fresh and organic and from the village egg. Wow.
See this jelly around it?
Yeah.
My hands get a little bit dirty, but... that's coming out.
Hatch the egg.
Hatch the egg. It's like it's hatching. I really like the egg is hatching. Oh, that's the peel. Have to get the peel off. We're not eating a peel. Okay. Roll this up. Now we're gonna stir our eggs. Let's cut this. So it'll be easier to stir when it's not popped. It's a little bit hard.
Stir egg, please.
Okay. We're gonna do this way. Because when we stir it, it's gonna spill out. Some of you might use spatulas to stir, but we use forks or chopsticks. Okay, I'm not very good at stirring eggs, but I do like this. Sometimes I might spill it. I'm a little bit crazy of spilling stuff. First things first, I'm gonna add the sausage. My mom's putting it in because it's a little bit hot. And one thing.
So your mom will be cook helper?
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna do this. I'm just
Slowly. It's okay. You just like put it here.
Yeah. Put one by one, Mom.
No.
I want to eat the sausage. Mom, have another sausage. You add that? I can take one.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, that's enough for now. Okay, now let's stir it.
วางไว้ก่อน
Okay, now let's wait.
คนเสีย
Mom, you take it away.
จนกว่ามันจะ crispy.
Yeah, okay.
You wait until it looks crispy.
So we're gonna come back.
พอก่อนนะพี่
Okay, Mom, give me that. Then you hold this.
พูดยังโอเค
Down the baby.
อัดแล้ว
Okay. Now we're gonna get the sausage up and just change our thingy because it's gonna drip. We're getting all the oil out.
Yeah, so you just
Put it in here.
uh-huh
Okay, we're gonna drizzle all the oil.
okay
That's a lot of oil. Okay.
so we will keep this one first and then we will
Add the eggs in. Okay. And I'm just gonna wait for it to set. That's my mom doing it because she's scared of the pan. You guys ever noticed that I'm scared of pans? Before I used to cooking, but I'm not scared of pans, but now I'm scared of pans.
why
Because it's gonna go down to me and like it's gonna spill down. We're gonna add a little bit sauce. It will not be too yeah. That's not whole soy sauce, Mom. It's a little bit like sweetened sauce.
No, it's not sweeting. This one is mushroom soy sauce.
You have to be careful. It's gonna stick on your pan. It's mashing it just like mashed eggs.
And then we add rice.
Yeah, where's the rice? Ah, right here. Ah, now we add the rice. Now, squish it. Next we add the sausage after we add the rice. Okay, so we're gonna do it. The door is closing! Okay. Then we're gonna add our sausage. That's our sausage. I think this is for the whole family. I think it's enough.
It's not enough for the whole family.
Okay, we're gonna have to mix a bit.
Actually, we need to put some carrots and so on.
Yeah, that we forgot. Now we're gonna eat. It's finally done, guys. Wow. It's space for me to eat. Yummy.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Tune in for next time.